Uh, I was just going to go hang out with some of my simian friends and maybe have a fermented peach or two.
Oh, you think so? Have you done the dishes yet?
No, I haven't yet.
The trash is overflowing. Take it out now.
Yes, dear. Oh, God. The apple. God said not to eat the apple. It's got to be poison. That's it. The apple's poison. That's my way out. Oh, that's my way out. I gotta go get the apple. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, the sweet release of death. Oh, oh, the apple. Oh, oh, the sweet release. Oh, no more nagging. Oh, oh God. Oh, sweetness.
Adam! Oh, Adam! Where the hell are you? Adam!
It's not poison.
Where are you, Adam? Oh, there you are. I see you. Get the hell over here.
Yes, dear.
Why haven't you taken out the trash? It's overflowing. The dishes aren't done either. Get over here.
Damn apple. Now I know I'll never understand woman.